Today I will show you. Die.
Shaq, are you mad?
I'm sorry. I thought you like it rough.
You stupid rough. Is that why you want?
I'm sorry. But let's continue. My bad. You like what you see?
See, you're not even ready.
It's anxiety. Let me motivate it. Give me a minute. Hey, wait, please stand up. Come on, knock. Anita is here. Toto, you please wake up. Yeah, Olori Bruku. Give me a minute, please. I'm coming back. Can't. I beg, I need you. Benita, you upstairs. My stuff no one stand. I swear.
What you gonna consign me?
I beg, my brother, go help me. Benita no go coming after today. I beg. Baby, I'm coming.
No. Pull am, make I help you touch.
Make you help me.
Make I help you touch.
Make you help me touch. My one they pay me for your life. No, they make it for your life. Idiot. You expect visitor?
No, if you be Shukura.
Shukura, they get transport. Or there. Who be that?
Open this door.
Now your papa house now. Mumu.
Shank. That's my boyfriend.
How your boyfriend know this place?
My boyfriend knows everything.
He knows everything. Wow, don't worry, you can't enter. Hey! Blood of this. Blood. Now go to the date.
Are you mad? That's my boyfriend there now.
So Benita, you've been cheating on me, eh?
No, baby, I'm not cheating on you.
Come on, baby, for here. You the grace? I be your mate.
See, if them born you well, come here.
If they burn me well, can't I beg me? I know one fight.
I the craze, I know they beg you.
I will show you today. Don't beg me. Do your worst. Yeah. This guy na adult. He's slap hot. What does the girlfriend do for a living?
He's a black belt holder.
Like I don't get to the segment.
He dey fight kung fu.
He dey fight kung fu. Pushing your phone. I don't. Your girlfriend dey fight kung fu and dey cheat on her. You know say you be cultist. Now God go punish you. Can't they please do something?
No worry, man, deal with them.
I trust you. May the Lord be with you. Hey, can't they? Don't worry.
God not allow them, let them kill.
Hey! Blood of Jesus!
Not be juju.
Belinda! Hey! But then, boss, you do the best. Small cheating, you don't the best. Can't they say something? Can't they? Hey! Can't they don't go? How do you do that?
I said kung fu. He's also an herbalist.
Your boyfriend dey multitask. He dey do herbalist, he do kung fu. But
Lie down here.
so I don't do boys.
Lie down here.
Lie down. Mommy. I will tell my mommy for you.
Jesus!
Yeah, blood of Jesus. Boss, where I did like this. On that small cheating, you told me to aeroplane. God to judge you.
Why you knock my babe? You don't know, Abi?
I never even know, but I never even know.
Sorry.
Boss, you know I'm scared of it.
So what you gonna concern me if you get scared of it?
Boss, you know good taste. Dang, this nigga's crazy.